tables and their function, their names, and spelling also. I think marks are deducted if they do not write any spelling correctly in science, especially the concept. Biology, I'm talking about biology. Then chemistry. Do written practice of all the chemical reactions given in the NCERT book. Learn all the processes involved in the extraction of metal along with chemical reactions. Then structure of all the hydrocarbon and functional groups with name, common name, etc. Then physics, ray diagram, sign convention, formula of all the concepts, practice numerical questions, learn all the derivatives, learn rules and laws involved in the topic, go through all the activities given in the NCERT books. So NCERT is a must. After that, over and above, there are certain notes and worksheets also. Elaborate worksheets are given. So all those are to be attempted. Anything else, ma'am, on that day when they see the paper, how they should go?
So as ma'am told you, whenever we are reading the question,
Face everybody.
so whenever we are reading the question paper, go through the MCQs first, because science MCQs we can do directly. We have direct MCQs also, and you can mark answer there. That answer there, the tick there on the question paper only. While reading the numerical, it is very important, because sometimes what happens, we just read, we don't read the complete question while reading time, just starting 2 lines, and we thought we know the question, and we skip few important points, like few things we need to find out, and we forgot to find out those things. So please underline those things, so the given whatever we are going to find out. Okay? And after that, sign convention is very important for the ray diagram. Chemical formula, if you are writing, write with the name, that is very important. And conversion, in the maths, ma'am said the conversion of diameter and radius is there, but we do have conversion of units, and you tend to miss that always, and that is a very big mistake. If you have not done the conversion, the entire numerical will be incorrect. So this is my humble request, please underline. If the diameter or radius or any physical quantity is given in non-SI unit, underline that, so that you will remember that we have to convert that. Rest, all the best, and you can start from A section or E section, that is up to you, but you can, it is best you start with A section, and rest section you can jumble from E section to B section, that is up to you. Thank you, all the best.
So, okay, for science, one more tip, that A section can be done, and you just leave 20 marks secured and then go to further marks. Okay, so next, language, Punjabi. Yes, Kavita ma'am is here. Yes, yeah. So understanding the syllabus and exam pattern. So section 1, reading section 10 marks. Section 2, grammar 12 marks. Section 3, writing 18 marks. And section 4, literature 40 marks. Manage time effectively for thorough preparation. Try to solve grammar section and select the top option you are going to attempt. Utilize your reading time in understanding and solving unseen passage. Use flowchart and mind map whenever possible. This is, I think, during the revision time, ma'am is suggesting. Cramming letter format and analytical paragraph structures. That is very, very important. So, over to you, ma'am. Ma'am is unwell, but still ma'am managed to come here. Thank you, ma'am.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਹਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਮ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕਾਫੀ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਸਾਡਾ ਫੋਕਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ 250 ਵਰਡਸ ਦਾ ਐਸੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, 200 to 250 ਵਰਡਸ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਚਾਉਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਨਸੀਨ ਪੈਸੇਜ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ, ਔਰ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟਲੀ ਆਫਟਰ ਫਸਟ ਪਾਰਟ ਤੋਂ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਫਸਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਅਟੈਂਪਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਔਰ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਇਸ ਵਾਰੀ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ, ਕਈ ਬੱਚੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰਨੇ। ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਸ 'ਚ ਜੰਬਲ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼, ਉਹ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖੋ ਬਸ। ਔਰ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਔਰ ਹਾਰਡਲੀ 10 to 15 ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗਸ ਐਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਰਿਪੀਟਡਲੀ ਗਲਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਉਹ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ 10 ਤੱਕ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਮੈਮ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੋਟਬੁੱਕਸ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਲਿਖੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਢ ਲਓ ਬਾਹਰ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਖ ਲਓ ਔਰ ਉਹ 10 ਤੋਂ 15 ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ ਆਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਯਾਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੋਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ। ਬਾਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹਰ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਦੱਸੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਸ ਦੱਸੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੋ ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਕਰੋ। ਇਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ में ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਲਾ ਲੈਣੇ ਨੇ। ਚਲੋ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਮੈਮ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
Thank you, ma'am. So, Hindi, Manju ma'am, yes. So, मैम ने तो काफ़ी हिंदी में ही लिखा है, बिल्कुल चाहती है कि हिंदी में ही बात की जाए और हिंदी में ही इनको पढ़ा जाए, जिससे हम सब की हिंदी सही हो जाए। So, विषय से संबंधित जरूरी, ठीक बोल रही हूँ मैम, जरूरी निर्देश, किसी भी उत्तर को जरूर से ज्यादा शब्दों में लिखने से बचें। विकल्प में दिए गए प्रश्नों में से कोई एक प्रश्न चुनने में सूझबूझ रखें। पेपर में दिए सभी प्रश्नों को अटेम्प्ट जरूर करें। विद्यार्थी अपनी उत्तर पत्रिका को सजाने में समय बर्बाद ना करें। कोई एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे। मैं बार बार, दिस इज नॉट ओनली रेलेवेंट फॉर हिंदी, दिस इज फॉर एवरी सब्जेक्ट। प्लीज डू नॉट डेकोरेट योर पेपर। कोई ब्लू पेन के अलावा कोई और पेन नहीं यूज करना, अलाउड भी नहीं होता है। रेड पेन से दूर रहें, ग्रीन पेन प्रिंसिपल मैम को दे दें, ब्लैक पेन मेरे पास छोड़ दें। प्लीज जो एक ब्लू पेन आपको मिला है बस आराम से उसी से आप काम करेंगे, ठीक है। पेंसिल और ब्लू पेन अलाउड होता है बच्चों को। कोई एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स वहाँ मैप को कलर करके बहुत सुंदर करके कुछ +5 वो नर्सरी केजी में मिल चुके हैं हमको एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स, हमने एंजॉय कर लिया है। अब जो लिखेंगे वी विल गेट मार्क्स ओनली अकॉर्डिंगली। हिंदी प्रश्न पत्र के 4 खंड हैं, क ख ग घ। क में 2 अपठित गद्यांश 14 मार्क्स के आने वाले हैं और व्याकरण पाठ्य पुस्तक 16 नंबर की आएगी। पाठ्य पुस्तक एवं पूरक पाठ्य पुस्तक 28 नंबर की है। रचनात्मक लेखन जो होगा वो 22 नंबर का है। अनुच्छेद, औपचारिक पत्र, सूचना लेखन, विज्ञापन, ईमेल लेखन, लघु लेखन, ये सब काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है जिनको बच्चों ने करना है। मुझे लग रहा है इन सबके फॉर्मेट्स अगर ये सब बनाकर पहले से रखें अपनी, जो मैंने बोला है फॉर्मूला रखना है मैथ्स और साइंस का, उनके साथ ये आई थिंक फॉर्मेट्स ऑफ लेटर वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बच्चों को रखने चाहिए। पेपर के दिन मैम क्या करें बताएं।
नमस्कार। सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि आपको अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखना है। हमने बहुत मेहनत की है और आपको सब कुछ आता है। जैसे रायना मैम ने भी बोला है और अनामिका मैम ने भी बोला है कि अपठित गद्यांश जो हमारा अनसीन पैसेज होता है 7+7 14 मार्क्स का होता है। अगर आपके एमसीक्यू गलत हो भी गए हैं तो भी हमारे पास ऑप्शन है 2+2 2+4 मतलब 2+2 मतलब 8 मार्क्स ऐसे हैं जो हमारे सॉलिड मार्क्स हैं जो आपके पठित गद्यांश अपठित गद्यांश में से ही आते हैं। थोड़ा सा अगर आप टाइम निकालते हैं वो कम से कम वो 8 नंबर आप मत खोएं और उनको जरूर अटेम्प्ट करें। और दूसरी बात है, अभी हमने प्री बोर्ड में भी जो चेकिंग की है और मॉक टेस्ट में भी उन्होंने बच्चों ने ये किया हुआ है जहाँ पे हमारा एक तो ईमेल और लघु लेखन में हमारा ऑप्शन है 5 मार्क्स के हैं कि आप या तो लघु लेखन करिए या ईमेल करें। बच्चे क्या करते हैं, पहले वो ईमेल लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं, वो पूरा पेज करते हैं, फिर उनको कहते हैं ये गलत है, उसको कट करके फिर वो लघु लेखन करते हैं लेखन, तो वो टाइम वेस्ट होता है। और दूसरा जब भी आप जो है क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं तो पहले से ही सेट कर लीजिए कि आपने कौन सा अटेम्प्ट करना है, तो बहुत नहीं तो वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम होता है। एक बार हमने शुरू कर दिया, लिख लिया, फिर कट कर रहे हैं, फिर दोबारा से दूसरा लिख रहे हैं, तो वो सिर्फ वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम है। तो बेस्ट केसेस अच्छा करेंगे, मेरी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ।
पेपर को कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है कुछ बताना चाहिए, कौन से क्वेश्चन पहले करने हैं क्या?
क्योंकि जैसे आपको बोला कि अपठित गद्यांश जो है अगर आपको लगता है टफ है तो आप उसको बाद में कर लीजिए। जो आपका जो है लिटरेचर पार्ट है और जो आपका स्पेशली पठित गद्यांश और पठित पद्यांश है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्यों इजी भी होता है। 5+5 10 मार्क्स के होते हैं, उसको ध्यान से अगर आपने पढ़े हुए चैप्टर आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, हमने बहुत प्रैक्टिस की हुई है, उसको छोड़ना नहीं है।
I think strategy English and Hindi is just the same. Ma'am is also emphasizing on literature कि पहले आप लिटरेचर कर लो, मैम ये अपठित गद्यांश मुश्किल है, छोड़ना नहीं है, हमने नहीं कहा, अंग्रेजों ने भी नहीं कहा था किसी ने नहीं कहा, ठीक है। मुश्किल है, मैंने सिर्फ ये कहा था कि डरना नहीं है। हिंदी भी मुश्किल हो सकता है काफी,
होता है वो।
हाँ मुझे पता है मुश्किल होता है, तो आपने डरना नहीं है। मैंने ये कहा था कि जो आपका अनसीन पैसेज होगा वो क्योंकि अनसीन रहा है, पहले नहीं देखी हुई चीज से डर लगता ही है, तो उसको पढ़कर आपको डरना नहीं है, ये बोला है मैंने, ठीक है। अटेम्प्ट सब कुछ करना है, नहीं आता तब भी करना है, ठीक है। हाँ, आपको कुछ ना कुछ समझ में जो भी आ रहा है। And literature is always easy because teachers have already done those chapters and you know something from the chapter. So that is why all are saying that literature you should attempt first so that you gain confidence, and literature carries a very good weightage in English as well as in Hindi also. And after that you come to grammar and then letter writing, because that is also again you short because you know email. There is a format, there are certain words which are to be written and you are going to get short marks. First you secure and after that you come to any difficult part, maybe that can be your unseen passage or any other thing that is there. So now we move to, thank you Manju ma'am. Now we move to French. Navneet ma'am, is she here? So read all chapters carefully, attempt culture based questions followed by language based and grammar based questions. French students, are you here? Somebody is here? Come on, raise your hands and come here. Yes. Acho, come. You can help me. Yes, come. Thank you. Practice letter writing, format and informal. Formal and informal, I guess. I think this is what they wanted to say. Practice papers on school pad on daily basis with answers. Is ma'am sharing questions with you on daily, school pad? Okay. The student need to be very careful. Very carefully identify the clues hidden in the language while attempting the questions, especially the grammar section. The question must be answered to the point. If the question paper is easy, go slow. On the other hand, if it is little tricky, don't lose your calm and attempt with complete focus. Do not over attempt and try to attempt the questions in serial order. Most importantly, every letter of your handwriting should be clearly written. It should be legible. Missing of accent or using word accent may lead to heavy deduction of marks. Any other tip that ma'am has shared and you want to share with parents also? No? I have not understood, beta. I will ask you. ये क्या होता है? Culture based questions, language based and grammar based.
It's basically the literature questions which comes from the coin cultural. It's basically a repetitive learning process which you have to do from the book.
Okay.
So it's the easiest part according to us.
Okay.
And in French, the weightage of the grammar is actually much more. It's actually of 30 marks.
Okay.
And there are options between the grammar. So ma'am has given us some tips on which options to solve because they are actually easier in the nature.
So it is short. This is what you are going to get, and you can choose which option you have to attempt.
Actually, grammar questions, almost 3 questions are there which are compulsory and 3 are there which have options. So the questions which have options, some parts are difficult and some are easier. So ma'am has given us tips to which so that we are easily able to, like suppose there is this preposition, so that is going to be used in all other questions of grammar too. So like we have to do it completely. While some concepts are there which we can leave and attempt other questions.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. So you are able to attempt in 3 hours your papers. Any difficulty in attempting? No? Okay. We are confident. Okay. So next. Now, for the board examination 2025, this is very important. We have not yet received the admit cards. In the admit card, they always write that which is the center where they have to report. School exam will not be held in the school. They will have to go to some other center. Last year center was Doon International School. This year we are expecting the same center, but we do not know so far. We'll just let you know. Now, this is very important. Students should reach the center latest by 9:30 a.m. The school gate will be closed sharp at 10 a.m. It will be closed. Gate will be closed means closed. Now they are not allowed to open the gate of the school. Gate means the main gate of the school, the center. And I think around 200 children have missed their paper, and this is something that is happening every year. In Chandigarh also, if they reach late now, they are not allowed to open because CBSE inspectors are everywhere in every school and they are there to supervise everything. So that is why this is very, very important. Do not take it lightly. Do not take it lightly. I think ma'am and I went for some school as observer, and rather we were telling the principal, because we were with the student, कि कोई बात नहीं मैम गेट खोल दो. They said no, because now everything is under surveillance because सब जगह cameras लगे हैं. She said school का affiliation is at risk. I cannot take risk just by allowing one child to enter the gate. It is that serious. So children, some of you have habit of coming to school late. ठीक है? मैंने पहले ही बोला मैम और मैं फिर भी allow कर देते हैं, but there in that center nobody will open the gate. So do not take chance. Every day you have to reach the center at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Student will report in proper school uniform with school ID card, because they will not allow you to enter the gate without uniform and ID card, and admit card that will be issued by the school. You have to carry that also. Student will not carry any banned items. There are certain items which are not to be taken. No smart watches, no wrist watches. They do not allow. And as mentioned, it is mentioned on the admit card. Other items are also mentioned on the admit card. Check all the instructions for students. Check all instructions, whatever are written on the admit card. Students are allowed to carry only a transparent pouch. Parents, you need to invest in that. अभी से आपको लेना पड़ेगा एक. Transparent pouch में all the stationery items are to be kept, and one transparent water bottle. No steel bottles are allowed. Okay? No steel bottles. They give you water there, and you are not allowed. Do not keep any money, anything, no written paper, nothing in that pouch also.
Even the girls wear the ornaments.
Ornaments, yes, yes.
So
Last time, they will remove everything, and it will just create panic. I am telling all the parents, it creates a lot of panic there. Because if they tell you that you cannot carry this pouch, you have to carry stationery in your hand. Your child may misplace something there because they will throw it. If it is not allowed, it is not allowed. Okay? Is it clear to everybody? Children especially, it is your responsibility. Why parents should be listening to this? It is your responsibility. You have to ensure that transparent pouch with stationery, no wristwatch, no watch, no ornaments, nothing is allowed there, so do not wear it. Just go and phone, study material, no bangles, nothing. कुछ नहीं आपको पहनना है. Then students are allowed to carry. Okay, I've written already.
मैम जेल पेन इसलिए मना कर दो.
मैंने एक ही बॉल पॉइंट ब्लू पेन बोला है.
asking ना तो.
हाँ, ब्लू पेन, बॉल पेन. That's it. जेल पेन नहीं यूज करो. नहीं. No. Do not carry any cardboard. This is also very important. Very important. Do not carry any cardboard or any study material. Last minute preparation करेगा बेटा. नहीं करना है. उनको नहीं allowed है. Gate के अंदर no books are allowed. Gate means main gate. It is not outside the classroom, children. ये अपना school नहीं है. आराम से classroom के बाहर you are keeping your bag, books. No. It is outside the school gate, main gate. They will just throw everything there and they will say, leave it, we are not bothered. Your phone, your other things which are not allowed inside, they will all be left outside. So all the parents who feel that for the safety of my child I am giving phone, nothing is allowed even till the campus also. Outside the campus everything. Now, representative teacher from the school will be on duty at the center. One teacher from Smart Wonder School will always be there, but inside the campus, not to meet the children, but just as one representative would be there in case if we think that something is required to be communicated with the children or with the school there, that can be done. So if you have anything, any message for your child or anything, then you will always connect with the class teacher. Through class teacher, you will be able to connect, not you, we will be able to connect with the representative, whosoever will be there in the center. And that person is also not fixed because of so many reasons, as you know that there is a lot of, I think, security that is needed, and they want that papers should be conducted in a fair manner. So that is why teachers also keep changing. Do not use unfair means. Children, do not try to be over smart there. All your smartness you leave for the time being in Smart Wonder School. Okay? Go there with your innocence. Please go there with your innocence intact. Okay? We know you are innocent, but in that innocence you do such stupid things. I'm sorry to use those words. That you think that you are very smart, but that can put you in trouble. I'm telling you, this is a serious matter. This is a serious matter, children. You can be debarred from appearing in the exam for 3 years. Minimum 3 years. Minimum 3 years. Be very, very alert around your chair. If any paper, anything lying, any other child is doing, you be alert. Maybe that child can put you in trouble. ये paper pass कर दो. आपको मैं तो innocent हूँ. I was just passing on the paper. Children, listen to me very, very carefully. This is what we have seen children do in the examination hall. They think that they are not doing, their neighbors are doing, even you can report. Listen to me carefully. If you feel that your neighbor, your side children, they are doing something unfair means, inform, because they can put you also in trouble. Maybe they are carrying some notes in their hand and they can throw towards your side and you can be in trouble. Then you keep proving that you have not done it. I'm telling you, take things seriously now. There are strict rules for everything, and now I think government has changed the rules also. You can put your parents also in trouble. I think आपको पता चल गया new rules जो आ रहे हैं अभी. If you are caught somewhere underage driving, you have done something, any offense that is committed, parents are also held accountable now. Now they are shifting responsibility and accountability on parents also. So that is why I'm just telling you, be well prepared for the exam and use fair means. Do not try to just think that you can be over smart and you can cheat, because in any case papers are going to be in sets, ABC 3 sets. Okay. So you do not gain much by looking here and there. So it is always good that you just focus. Anything else, ma'am, if we have missed? No? Okay, thank you. Next. Okay, this is promotion policy. In every subject, 33% marks children have to attempt. So you already know about it. वैसे 33% is not our target. Minimum first division is our target. Once again I am repeating, last year we had all first divisions. So this year we cannot afford to have any second division. So all first divisions, it is not difficult to get. So compartment, if 33% or less marks, in 2 subjects, compartment if 3 subjects, child is again not promoted to the next class. Yes, these are the subjects. Skill subjects are different for different students. Artificial intelligence and some are appearing in the marketing and sales. Then division 80 and 20 marks ka internal assessment. That is already done. Children have already done their work throughout the year. On the basis of that, internal assessment is already done and sent to the CBSE board also. Now children have to focus on that 80 marks. For skill subjects, 50-50 is the ratio, theory and practical. So, although children should not focus on this, but still, because it is CBSE policy, so we are discussing it here. So, no overall division or percentage would be given in the mark sheet. All the marks would be written, but there is no such percentage given. Percentage is calculated on the basis of 5 best marks. English compulsory. Okay. So now, if candidate has offered more than 5 subjects, like in our case, children have taken skill subject extra, the decision to determine best 5 may be taken by the school, wherever the child is seeking admission. Okay, so for example, if a child has got 70 marks in maths, but in marketing and sale 100, okay, so 100 marks can be considered only for, now listen to me very carefully, not by you, it is not your discretion, it is the discretion of the institute where you are applying for admission. For example, if a child is seeking admission to the commerce stream, then they may consider marketing and sales marks. But if child is seeking admission in non-medical, for them marketing and sales marks are not important. They would still look for marks in mathematics or social science. Okay, I'm just saying. I'm just giving you example. So children, do not be under that impression. Oh, skill subjects per low. They will go and replace all the subjects and my percentage will improve. That is just वो खुश फहमी के लिए अच्छी है. Okay, but not for the real. I'm telling you, it is not going to help you in the real sense. So you prepare for all the subjects. However, use it very intelligently. When you are maybe seeking admission for maybe MBA or BBA later on also, then you can use those marks of marketing and sale. So this is the way it can help you. Similarly, when you are going for maybe some BCA or MCA, then you use the marks which you have attained in artificial intelligence or computer application. But otherwise, your main subjects are the ones which will always help you in taking admission in any good school. And one thing more, all the schools, I think admissions are already on. Bhavan Vidyalaya, I think already they have processed their class 11 admission. So do not wait for the final result. If you are targeting at the good schools, this is the right time when you should be like submitting your applications in Bhavan Vidyalaya, DPS or any other school wherever you want to put your ward. Otherwise, second round of admission will take place in the month of July also. Once their results are declared, maybe May end or July. So that time also is the time when you can take admission, and branch, whatever branch your child wants to take, should be decided as per the interest. Please do not go by numbers, by marks. Sometimes marks are not there, and one thing more, sometimes marks are not there but child is saying, but that doesn't seem to be realistic. For example, child has just scored 50% marks and child is saying, I want to go for non-medical. Sorry to say, that doesn't seem to be a realistic kind of ambition. So we need to just see that what is the aptitude and attitude of your ward, and accordingly decision to take admission and take the branch should be taken. I think it's over. How to prepare, as we have already said, NCERT is your Bible, Gita, Quran. Written practice is very important, regular study habit. Keep yourself away from mobile, social media, everything. And मैं तो अभी भी देख रही हूँ हमारे बच्चे बड़े मजे से फोन लेकर बैठे. किरण, क्या हो रहा है? Important points, okay. Yes. These are important websites. I don't think you need to go through it because syllabus already you know. But parents can always see if they want to check all the update by the CBSE. Always be assured that we are always with you. Thank you so much for this patient hearing. And any queries if you have, you can ask specific questions also. Teachers will be available in the classrooms for result discussion. So your overall result is already ready. You can take that result. On the basis of that, as I just said, you can take admission in schools. Thank you so much, teachers, and thank you, Principal Ma'am, Poonamji. Thank you, Ma'am, for your guidance. Without your support, without your guidance, we could not have attempted this session. Over to you.
You're ready for the exam. I'm sure the parents' hearts are palpitating more than the children, right? Parents are worried. उनका फिर से board exam आ गया. बच्चे खुश हैं. बच्चों को इतना नहीं फर्क पड़ता. But believe me, every word that ma'am has said is to be remembered, and and we will share this PPT on the school pad, so you don't have to worry. And all the points that are there, you will be able to see them again. So PPTs will be shared, you don't have to worry. Just let's use common sense. हमने भी एग्जाम्स दिए थे, हमको ऐसी प्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं मिलती थी स्कूल में, राइट? पर हमको पता था हमने क्या करना है. The only thing you ever regret is not utilizing the time. Believe me, nothing else. जब एग्जाम खत्म हो जाते हैं ना, the only thought comes, काश मैंने थोड़ा और पढ़ लिया होता, मैं इतना होर कर देंदा, आ कर लेंदा. You know, I should have done this. That is all that matters in the end. So don't regret. Every minute that you have, literally. So over here also, while I was sitting and I was thinking, if I was one of the children, I would have been, oh my God, finish this fast so that I can go and learn some formula, practice some maths. The more you practice, the better you will be at it. If you've never written something at home, in the environment of your home or the class, you are not going to write it in the board. You are not going to write it at the examination center. So this is something from my own experience I'm telling you. I had written every single answer of every single subject and practiced as many maths questions, because I'm not good at maths, as possible. The formulas I knew throughout, and at least even if one is not able to complete the whole sum, at least the formula should be there, the starting should be there, because marks are given for every part. So just because you think something is difficult, don't leave it. Attempting something, whatever it is, will fetch you some marks or the other. But we are not looking at some marks here. So I hope children, all of you understand the minimum is 60% and the upper limit is 100%.
Yes.
Right? So we don't want anything above 100 and we don't want anything below 60. Is that clear? Yes? And parents, please be very patient. Please be very patient. Support them, give them that tea, coffee, whatever. Your calm presence is needed. So if you are anxious, your children will also get anxious. Anxiety, goes into the children. So if you look worried all the time, क्या होगा, बच्चे भी वही सोचते रहेंगे क्या होगा, और पढ़ेंगे नहीं. Right? What you can do is sit with them. You read your own book, or you read a chapter or something else and make the notes for them, which they also should then write. Or just underline the important points if your children have not done it yet. Right? So the only thing that the children need from you is support. No lectures, no just going on to the children that you never studied. Pehle nahi padha, aap kya kar loge? All these dialogues, let's put them away. And most important is put away not only the children's phones but your own phones also.
Yes, very important.
Just remove them from sight, because we cannot say something that we don't practice. मैं सारा टाइम फोन पे लगी रहूं और बच्चों को बोलूं नहीं आप तो अपना काम करो, doesn't work. Children always emulate the parents. So whatever you are doing, the children will do that. Eat healthy, go to sleep on time, avoid parties or movies right now. बहुत टाइम है, जब एग्जाम खत्म हो जाएगा, you will actually wonder करें क्या? There's nothing to do. And at that point of time, you won't want your media, you won't want your friends. That time we are just thinking about the results. So my suggestion is, please stay at home and study. Put away your phones. Uska SIM nikal do jaye. Parents, I give you the permission to remove the SIMs of your children's phone, which actually they should not have. And most important is, all the evening activities, going to meet friends, going for a walk, is not needed. If you want to go for a walk, go with your parent. A small round after dinner or something, or evening. So physical activity is needed. You can't just keep sitting on the chair throughout, right? Physical activity is needed, which every child needs. So parents, please do let the children get up, walk around, go into the lawn or go outside. And though it's funny, I will share one thing with you. In 12th, I was a topper, and the reason was that every time I used to sit down to study, or before, during the, before the exams, all the days, what I did was I put a lot of oil in my hair. And because I was so particular about how you look, so I would never go out. So the hair would be oily, it was good, it felt good, and I would just keep studying. So I never stepped out of the house, because studies were important and I was just staying at home. Because the friends are still going to be there. once the exams finish. So that is not our priority. Just set your priorities right and tell yourself, I have to get 100% in every subject. So if you tell yourself, you will work towards it. अगर आप खुद सोचोगे मैं तो 60 आ जाए तो अच्छा है, then you will get 60. So your ambition, your aim has to be 100%, and that is how you will be able to reach it, right? So all the best, all the children over here. Are you all motivated? Yes. No, it doesn't sound like it. That's like such a yes, ma'am. So I think we can have a big resounding yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, my single voice, and I can do without it. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Better. So parents, please be very patient with the children, and mothers, please give them very nutritious food and make sure that they get to bed on time. And especially, please, what ma'am has said, please be on time at the center. That's the worst thing we can do. Please anticipate the traffic also. All the children, all the school of the city, Tri-City will be going towards their centers. And plus people are going to their work. Nobody is going to be worried कि आपका कहीं paper ना miss हो जाए. So it's always better to be half an hour earlier, sit in the car and go through whatever notes you want to, and before you leave the car, leave everything there. Am I clear? Every child, you have to be there at the center dot at 9:30. Don't think 9:45 हम चले जाएंगे, हम 15 मिनट पे चाह रहे हैं, हम 10 मिनट पे चाह रहे हैं. That will cause anxiety. बीच में कोई ब्लॉक आ गया, आपको नहीं पता है, रोड में कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया, right? So you have to ensure that you have ample time to change the routes also, and be at the center dot at 9:30. That's my only request. So all the best, children, and all the best to the dear parents who are more worried. Yes. So I am sure that the children will do very, very well. And like I told you, minimum is 60 and the upper limit is 100. I want a lot of hundreds from the children. They all are capable of it, and we deserve it, and you deserve it. So thank you so much, parents, for being so patient. And we'll keep our fingers crossed till the children finish the exams. And we'll all pray for our children. So all the best. Thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I forgot one very important point. Admit cards will be given by the school. We will let you know when you can come and collect the admit cards. Now, sometimes what happens, it should not happen, admit card is left at home. When you are going for the center, then please do not go back to collect your admit card. Listen to me very carefully, all the children and parents. You are not supposed to go back. For that matter, even stationery is also left. Maybe it should not happen by chance. You are not supposed to go back and look for it. Immediately leave your child at the center. That is your priority. Okay? After that, you can go back and look for the admit card, and you can send it to the school. However, one copy we will be sending to the center also. That is always there with them. Okay? One copy is always there. As I said, we have our representative also. Immediately, if you feel you can connect with the class teacher. But do not ever do that. In panic, this is what parents do. Oh, admit card reh gaya, chalo वापस लेने जाए. No. First priority is always to leave your board at the center. Do not create any kind of stress. Children, you also stress तब होना चाहिए if you are carrying something like which is not allowed. वो नहीं लेकर जाना है. बस that's it. We have already clarified everything. Now, one thing more, when you are doing practice at home, just practice as if you are appearing in the board examination. Set the same time, same kind of rules, whatever are mentioned here. You have to use blue pen, you have to underline with the same pen. First, you have to attempt this question, that question, whatever instructions are given. If you are attempting paper like this before you go for the board exam, nobody can stop you from getting less than 90%. I'm telling you, this is the key to success. 3 board papers, if you attempt, I'm telling you, 90% marks everybody will be able to score. But do that honestly, with preparation, how you have to prepare. Just one day go through the syllabus, immediately sit, appear for the exam. Evening may you just check all your mistakes, mark it, listen to me carefully, mark it. Next time, those topics you revise, again sit for the same exam. No need to revise the whole syllabus. Attempt. This is the way you can score. And this batch, I think I've already shared with ma'am also. You are my favorite. Each child sitting here looks like a Tri-City topper to me. This is what I have told you. We want a Tri-City topper, and I'm sure we are going to get one this time. And key is every subject should be given equal weightage. I think I've talked about it with all children many a times. Do not think that math, science only 100 marks. You need to study social science, Punjabi, Hindi, whatever subjects you have taken. Give your 100% to that, and so that you can score 100 in every subject. I think to become a Tri-City topper, 100 in every subject is the requirement now. I know you know what is the percentage of country toppers or Tri-City toppers. That is around 99.8%, or sometimes it is 100%. So all the very best to all of you, parents as well as children. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.